So I'm editing this video and I forgot to mention like what was going on. It's a pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you guys starting the car, kind of going through some of the processes, checking for leaks and whatnot with Ryan, and kind of like what I figured out, what I found out. There are a few things I needed to check, but I should go over that towards the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you're not part of the channel, hit the subscribe button, and yeah. Okay, I'm ready to start it. I got another battery. Skeeter broke the mill. Skeeter broke the mill. I don't know if he knows what he's doing, but he's doing something over here. But over here, spicy day right now. I've been procrastinating, kind of, but not really. I'm like nervous, like actually sit and let it run and idle. The water pump works now. Everything works. So yeah, just a little nervous. So, but everything is squared away here. Don't worry about that. I have to move that. But for now, that is its placement. I could just disconnect the pipe and put it behind where it would go, but it's fine for right now. Got water, got air, got spark, got fuel. We're good there. We know the car runs and stuff like that. It's just actually like letting it run idle so Ryan can actually go through the tune and, you know, do his things. Yeah, I'm nervous, man. So everything else is good. Fans are hooked up down there. I'm gonna throw the intercooler back on. That's one thing I love about having the HD clamps, because it's just quick disconnect, really easy. Only thing I am kind of worried about is this alternator and water pump fitment. That's credit card fitment down there, baby. So I'm scared that when it moves, it may hit, so I'll watch that. Ooh, voice crack. But everything else is good. Got the alternator hooked up over there to the battery. Again, another temporary thing until I put my anti-gravity battery in there and then buy Kevin a new battery, because he's definitely gonna need a new battery. This one's for sure dead. Or not for sure dead, but like, you know. And then, yeah. I'm procrastinating again, so I'm gonna do this stuff. Still haven't gotten a haircut, and yeah. Okay, I'm ready to start it. I got another battery. Skeeter broke the mill. Skeeter broke the mill. Everything is there, so let's not put that there. I'll have to get something for a lot of these wires. So I'm gonna set the camera down and we'll just see what happens. right, it sounds pretty good. It revs. There are a few things I need to check. There's obviously some nasties in the coolant system, so got to figure that out because it's getting hot. Noah's here.
It's just still broke.
No, everything worked pretty well for the most part, I think. Okay, we'll deal with the oil later. We're contemplating right now making a new oil pan or trying to make this oil pan work, because right now the way the oil pan is instead of it being completely flat, it's got a little spot in it where it's like up from the heat from welding on it. So we're thinking about either making a new oil pan or trying to fix this one. And that's what Skeeter's doing right now. Skeeter is actually like doing some test pieces to see if like how he wants to do it, because the last time we used the MIG welder, which is the one where you just squeeze the trigger. TIG, it's a little bit different. So we're thinking about doing a new oil pan and TIG welding it instead to try and reduce the amount of heat. It'll still be hot, but it won't be as hot as the MIG welder. But she revs, she works. Just little things to figure out now. We're like so close. I still don't have a drive shaft, so I gotta get that figured out. Gotta measure that. Actually, I know the yoke actually fell out of the transmission, so yeah. But great. But no, it's pretty good. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you later because I make decent content, so you'll want to check it out.